Today is Friday, July 11th, and this is your forecast for the central United States. And we do have some pretty large areas of showers and thunderstorms moving through the middle of the country. Some of those thunderstorms could also be on the stronger side. So let's start off with the weather map as we typically do. And it's basically right along this stationary front that I think we could see some of our strongest thunderstorms. So extending from Iowa over towards Chicago and even southern Michigan. Pretty rainy north of that, then a line of thunderstorms from, again, that front and then points south. So there's a lot of real estate that's going to be impacted by wet weather today. So not a bad idea to take the umbrella with you, just in case, or at least have it nearby. 87 with scattered showers and storms for Grand Rapids. 88 in Detroit, near 90 in Cleveland. Probably going to see those showers and storms coming in later on tonight, and some scattered showers and storms and locally heavy rain for you in Chicago. There could be some urban flooding with this, by the way, and I just want to remind you, when you encounter a flooded roadway, you got to turn around. Don't try to drive through it. It really doesn't take that much water to cause your vehicle to stall, and even if it's moving water, it doesn't take much of that to move your vehicle and sweep it away. Temperatures are hot here in the basically Ohio Valley, I'd say, down through Tennessee Valley, low 90s from Cincinnati to Louisville to Memphis, and then in Nashville we're at 91 degrees with maybe a scattered shower or thunderstorm. Back in the Midwest, we're looking at temperatures a little bit hotter tomorrow and then still warm, just not quite as hot over the weekend, and back maybe into the low 90s Tuesday and Wednesday. Same deal for Chicago. It looks like it stays hot. There are some signs of maybe a little bit of relief from the heat and humidity going toward next weekend, so we'll see how that plays out as we get a little bit closer. Southeastern United States, just a couple of scattered showers and storms popping up along the coast where the sea breeze and land breeze sort of collide. A high of 91 in Charlotte, 88 in Atlanta today. We got 90 for you in New Orleans, 95 in Dallas. We're in the 90s down the Florida Peninsula too, and there are some scattered showers and storms here. So I know that, Atlanta, Memphis doesn't indicate that there's a shower or storm in the forecast, but they're going to be popping up at random. It's that summery pattern. Heat and humidity help to fuel those in the afternoon. Over the next couple of days in the southeast, including in Charlotte, it's going to get hotter. So just be ready for that. A hot and humid weekend ahead of us, and still pretty hot next week with highs up near 90. In Fort Lauderdale, we got those afternoon Florida showers and storms that will develop and then linger into the first part of the evening. And then as the evening goes on, they'll tend to taper off and it'll dry out. Temperatures close to 90 today, upper 80s next couple of days, maybe more like mid 80s for Monday and Tuesday. All right, that is your Friday morning weather update. I hope that everyone has a great weekend, and remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.